Alright, what's going on, guys? I just woke up and my room is a disaster right now. Got clothes everywhere. So I'm gonna clean that up, and in about 20 minutes, my friend Matthew's gonna come pick me and Zach up, and we're gonna go to TopGolf. So I might vlog that a little bit, maybe do something crazy, get some clickbait titles. Yeah, I'll just see you guys then. Alright fam, what's going on? We're with Matthew and Zach right now. We're heading to Steak and Shake. We're gonna go eat. It's 1:20, but that's lunchtime for most of us because we don't wake up till like 12 or 11. So I had a really good sleep. I went to bed at like 10:30, which is very early for me, and then woke up at like 11:30. So I might have to hit a max for you guys today on bench. We'll see how it goes. My rear delts are kind of sore, but we'll just have to see how it goes. I might take a crap load of ESP tonight. I checked my heart rate yesterday, and it was after I was eating, so usually it's typically high after you do that. It was at like 100 beats per minute. I was like, crap. But then I checked this morning, it was at like 60, so we're all fine. And we are at, oh, there's Bruce Street right there. You guys don't know what that is, but it's pretty chill. And we're almost there, so I'll just pick up the camera whenever we get to Steak and Shake.
What up, fam? We just finished our meals. How y'all feeling?
I'm tired still.
Alright, we're full. About to go to TopGolf. Hit some dingers.
Yo, tell them that like out there right now, the wind is around at least 50 miles an hour. We're under a tornado watch, but we're still gonna go do it anyway.
It's gonna be a stroke trying to hit golf ball, so hopefully they're blowing like forward.
To the left.
Yeah. Alright guys, right now, go comment down below who you think is gonna win in TopGolf. Right now, take a minute. Pause the video, comment. It's gonna be Zach Witt.
Zach.
Alright guys,
Just kidding.
we'll see you there.
Feel that out.
Alright fam, we're about to head over to TopGolf. It's right across the street from Steak and Shake. See it in the window? That's it right there. And the wind is in our favor. It is left and forward. I don't know the ideal direction.
I don't know the exact north-south seat weather. So
about 30 degrees southeast.
That's all I got. Yeah. So approximately 30 miles. The weather actually says it's 20 miles per hour, and it's like a northeast. But that's whatever that is good for us. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. It's almost like a little stadium.
Great card.
I had it at the school too, dog. I had a Coach C. Oh, we're out getting out right now. And we're out of here. Beautiful city of Madison, Alabama at TopGolf. Actually, we're in Huntsville right now. Zach, comment down below.
Comment what?
How many points I'll beat Zach by in this game.
The goal is gonna be triple digits. I'm gonna try to get 100.
There's Matthew.
Dude, Matthew sucks.
So
I want y'all to pay attention to his form when we get in there. He doesn't bend his elbows. He just locks.
I'll get some content. So let's hopefully Matthew's gonna have to switch up his swing, or it's gonna be bad for him. Oh, it smells. Alright, there it is, folks. I'll vlog more when we get in the place, boys. Alright guys, Zach's going first. Here he is. Oh, you got Sam. Where did it go? I'm not gonna be able to track this with the camera. Zach on his second swing of the day on this nice par 3 green. Oh, good follow through right there. Boys, Matthew. It didn't focus, dude.
That was good.
Wow. Alright, Matthew's on his 4th ball, I think, 3rd ball. We'll see what he does here, boys.
Matthew, mine's gonna be this one. Yeah. Ideal for you guys.
This is what you want. If you're not golfing like
Yeah.
the ball's still there. Ball's still there.
Come on, Matthew.
This is our practice swing. Here we go. Oh.
Alright, Jack's up. Good form, good form. Thank you.
Yes. I have not seen that in a while.
Let's go, Jack.
In the rain.
Ding. Oh, guys, it's raining. I don't know if you can see my...
The rain is affecting the conditions down here.
The weather's trying to sabotage us. Ding. Guys, is that Tiger Woods? Right there?
Next Tiger Woods up this way.
You've heard of Tiger Woods? Now get ready for Lion Force. Dang! Going, Jack. It says it says it next to his name. It does. Hey, go for it.
Hit the cart. And with that swing, wraps up our game. Let's see who won. Let's see who won. Zach with 46. Matthew with 49. And our winner, me, with 23. Okay, Matthew won. I don't want to talk about it. Let's get on to the next game. Guys, game 3. Matthew got 0 points. I got 2. And Zach got 54. That's it. That's it. Game over. I got second. Matthew got last. He's paying. He's paying. Alright, I think the next clip is gonna be me and Zach at the gym. Depending on how I feel and how much pre-workout I'm willing to take, I might get a bench max, a new one. I think I can definitely hit 210, if not 215. So we're gonna see how it goes, and I'll see you guys then. Alright, what's going on, boys? We're at the gym. Happy New Year's. So it's New Year's Eve right now. My camera on focus because I'm on so much pre-workout, my hands shaking so much. And I took a fat boy scoop of drugs right here. 1 to 3 dime meth.
159.
It's X159 with a hoodie on, some shorts, some 1 to 3 dime meth in it, some total war.
Both going good.
And Zach's about to, what are you doing today? Explosive reps? 1 rep max? 1 rep max? 200? Is it going down? You're not at 200. Is that your New Year's resolution? What was your New Year's resolution, Zach?
I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna 1 rep max today.
Okay.
I think I'm just gonna practice explosiveness.
Explosiveness for the 2019 maxes, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do
2019 strong.
2019 strong with explosives. I'm gonna end 2018 on a good note and hit, I'm gonna go for 210 today. I think I can get that easy. I'm hoping for 215, honestly. Because I did 185 for 5 or 2 sets. 210 should not be a problem with just a bounce and no form. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll catch you guys in there.
Wait. Push. Push. Let's go. Give me some.
Oh! Ah!
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push it. Let's go. Let's go.
One more, boy.